I've been receiving a lot of emails and messages asking to assist them to get into the data engineering role. I really appreciate the time and effort you put into these messages and reaching out to me. But can I really help you become a data engineer? The answer is yes. But here is something very important that you need to understand. I'm a working professional who have a full-time job. It is very challenging for me to reply to these emails and assist you with your question. The only free time I get is during weekends, where I work on uploading YouTube videos for you. But I can still make some time available to assist you. But I strongly don't recommend this because it's a paid one. If you do not know, I already have a booking system where you can book a meeting to talk to me. This is from the Buy Me a Coffee website. Again, to be very clear, I'm not recommending this. The only reason why I'm making this video is many are taking effort to sending me a massive email and messages, and I don't want you to waste your valuable time. If you only feel I'll be worthy enough to help you in your journey, you can go ahead and book the call. Here, I have a career guidance meeting where we can discuss your current situation, skill set, and other stuff. Depending upon that, we can structure a plan to help you become a data engineer. In this journey, I can also support private tutoring, but for this, I firstly need to understand your current experience to plan a structured way for helping you. Along with that, I have few other dedicated meetings, like conducting the mock interview and providing feedback. And the other one is supporting technical consulting in solving real world problems. Also, most importantly, recently I added a new thing, which is a 4 hours workshop in building an end to end AI chatbot using Azure tools. I happen to know this project from a friend and I found it really amazing and thought this would really help my audience to get a hands on project in this latest AI chatbot Azure technologies. In this 4 hours workshop, my friend Krishna will guide you to implement the complete project starting from scratch. He will also help you how you can add this project in your CV and set up the GitHub portfolio. I believe it would be definitely helping you in your career. All right, again, I'm saying it, this is completely optional. If you really want my help, you can book a meeting to talk to me. Thank you.